Good day and welcome to a new video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Hiya and welcome to Weekly Tips. We'll find some sense in your tip jar. Welcome today. Today you're joined by me, Daniel, and we're going to be delving into drawing a fox's head. So this is my approach. Give you some tips and some little tricks. So come and draw this tricky little creature. The awesome animals. So let's go and draw them. Yeah, so I start out here just drawing the gesture of the side view that I'm drawing. I'm drawing a 3/4 view of the fox's face here. Now you may want to start off at a side angle or something like that to really help you understand. Now, you know, this is a baby fox, this image here. I realized that a little bit after drawing it. I was like, oh no, this is a baby fox. But you know, the anatomy is kind of the same. Just the proportions are kind of different compared to an adult fox. You know, the nose would be a little bit bigger, those kind of things. But however, I'm catching the pose here, understanding the fox's form, what goes into the fox. So, you know, I'm really trying to just draw and understand all that. And that's what I do every time, you know, whatever the creature, whatever the animal I'm drawing, I just draw it over and over again and start drawing different poses, understand, you know, its features, you know, how big is its ears, you know, how big is its nose, its eyes compared to everything else, you know, what the kind of things go into it, and that's what I'm looking for. That's what can really help when drawing this. And I've done a few paintings of foxes. I've done one painting of a fox. I want to do more. It's on the list to do. I've got a lot on the list to do. It's always growing. And yeah, you know. So here I'm just doing a kind of 3-tonal. Now it can help to do that, a 3-tonal here, to add the whites in and the blacks, you know, dark areas. It can help to kind of push those whites out a little bit and give you a little bit of shadow. So yeah, I drew it there and I drew it again. So I've done it twice. I've done the little sketch and then I went and didn't like that sketch, so I drew it again down there. So I might have skipped ahead a little bit here, but that's what I did. I drew it once and then drew it again. Just really trying to understand it at first, and then I took all the things I understood and redrew it. And you keep doing that process, you know, you understand, you find a way to understand everything and then you redraw it again. And then the second one, I only did like one drawing of that, but I feel like I could do it over and over a few more times to really capture and understand that. I definitely would if I was like going to do another painting of it or another drawing of it to put it into one of my pieces, or to really understand it a bit more. I would do quite a few side views and front views, 3/4 views, a few more than this basically. You know, in these videos and things I only do like 2 or 3. This takes me 20 or 30 minutes. But if I wanted to know more about it, if I wanted to get really good at drawing foxes and those things, I definitely would have to do way more than this. Yeah, so I have to keep on going and keep on trying, and you know, I do this every now and again, like half an hour a week, 20 minutes a week, or even sometimes you can do it daily. If you have 30 minutes a day, go for it. Just draw a particular thing every day. If you want to get good at anatomy, you want to get good at drawing foxes, you know, just draw it over and over again in different poses. Here I'm putting in the whites, and that can really give it off because you know, with those features it really gives it off that that's a fox. It really helps to have those whites in there. But here I show you, the general form and shapes that I am looking at, and that can help when drawing foxes in different poses and things that don't exist. You want a certain pose that it's not out there in photo. So just kind of understanding the forms of the actual creature, the animal, this fox. Yeah, understanding those shapes here. You can see, yeah, I've jotted down the kind of shapes that makes up his face. And it's similar, this um, fox's shape is similar to a dog, really. But there are some differentiations to it. A little bit more of a pushed out nose. It looks a little bit higher of a head. There are similarities to a dog, but there are some differences there too. So, you can get that with animals if you get familiar to general animals. Bringing that into drawing other animals can be very helpful. Awesome. So, thanks for joining me. Sorry about that. Thanks for joining me if you joined me today. I'm a bit croaky today. I've had a weekend watching Lightbox and yeah, just in general. So hopefully I wasn't too bad this week. Feel free to comment down below if you do like drawing foxes, or you did enjoy this video and learn something new. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and keep drawing, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.